Right-click and paste. Done. That's how you embed a YouTube video into your Canva website.
Connect. Design says who you are. This is Canva.
Just copy the video link and paste it into your Canva design, and it's instantly embedded on your site. You can use the exact same method to embed videos from other platforms like Vimeo, TED, and more. Simply copy the link, paste it into your design, and the video will be embedded automatically. Now let's preview the design on the front end. This looks incredible, and it was so simple. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.
Australia, to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere in an amazingly simple way.